Hi, my name is Nick. This is May 4. It's 1:40 p.m. In the Netherlands, Central European Time. And we look at Bitcoin up 0.5%, Ethereum up 1.75%, EOS down 2.3%, Ripple up 3.6%, Bitcoin Cash up 0.7%. Tron down 3.5%, Litecoin up 2.3%, and Ethereum Classic up 0.25%. Bitcoin is steadily moving upwards, and we had an interesting situation yesterday where you can see that it jumped from 9,100, 9,200 to 9,700, and it had everything to do with the announcement of Goldman Sachs saying they would be interested in trading cryptocurrency, whereas before, as you might remember, the CEO of Goldman Sachs said that it was all fake and it was all hype, and they didn't want to have anything to do with it. But now they changed their mind and they think of getting into the cryptocurrency regulation or market better trading. So that was a boost for the market. And as you can see, we're on a gradual but stable upward movement. Here we see the 6 month, and then you can see that the difference between the November rise of the coin up to 19,000 was way steeper than we are now, and when it is so steep, it does have to come down, and when the upward movement is less steep as it is here, the chance of it going down or the chance of it profit taking is much more let's say controlled. So the risk of downward movement is less here than it was here, although here it still had a long way to go, of course. But this is, risky, and this kind of movement is less risky. Ethereum also busy with a steady rise, and of course it's the coin with, I think it has the most potential of all coins. Still has a long way to go to catch up with the highest point here. And speaking about catch up, I was speaking about Ethereum Classic. There's some people think it might play catch up with Ethereum. It might catch up with Ethereum. So the price rise could be quicker than Ethereum, but when we see how it's doing, then it's not much quicker at all than Ethereum. So, and even today you see up 1/4, whereas Ethereum was up more than 2%. So I don't think that is really happening. EOS, of course, there's a lot of speculation there, and it was the top volume traded coin for a couple of days. Now it's back to 3rd place. As you can see, there's some profit taking here, and when we look at the bigger chart or the more long-term chart, it has been going up to 21, and it's built a lower top at 19, and this is an indication that the price will probably go lower again. So Firstcoin, well, there is not much change, but still quite a lot of volume going on, which is very interesting. Talking about volume, not today. I see that for some reason system coin total volume is only like $5,000, $4,700, and you see an extremely low volume here. Maybe they just have a temporary timeout in Systemcoin to do some maintenance or something. Anyway, we see today the coin was up to 3.9 cents, down 3.1, up 3.9. So you can see there's quite a bit of trading going on.
Even at this level, I think, like I said before, people probably are panicking, or at least lose their confidence in Firstcoin and selling Firstcoin even at this level at 3 cents. So as you can see, we're still in this long-term downward trend. As of now, it seems we have been 3 cents is a bit of the bottom, is a support level, but I said that at 4 cents as well, so we're not quite sure. Although I might have some news, or I do not have news yet, but we contacted the CEO of Firstcoin with the question of what's going on, and also with the request to restart his communication with it through webinars, and we will talk with him at the end of the day around 5 p.m. And any news about Firstcoin, of course, I will let you know in a video. As of now, hardly any movement there. Markets. Here we have Firstcoin in Yobit, and then we see that there are no, this is not Firstcoin, this is Ethereum. There were quite some big orders in Firstcoin actually. As you can see here, somebody's selling 143,000 coins, but also I saw this other big order here. Somebody's buying 150,000 nearly coins in Firstcoin. So quite a bit of trading is going on. We don't see that in this chart today. Here it only says $5,000 of coins changed hands. But let's wait and see what happened to Systemcoin, and I will come back to you maybe tonight, or otherwise tomorrow, and I'll tell you the news or the state of affairs in Firstcoin after we talk to the CEO this afternoon.